Alright, this video was a request from JD22. This is a reassembly of the HK416 Double Eagle, and we're going to work in reverse just for the sake of brevity. I'm still able to show you guys all the components. So let me just identify those components real quick here. So we have this plastic, I forget, I think it's just called an end plate, but I'm not sure. It's been so long since I've worked on one of these. And then we have this silver locking piece here. And then we have our wiring, which, take note, is coming out of the bottom half of the receiver. How we're going to put all this shit back together is we're going to put... Well, we got to get our screw out first. Let me just grab that real quick. Doesn't matter which way you put it in, other than you want it facing upwards like this so that the wiring can pass through underneath. It's not threaded, so just get this thing in there and then you're good to go. You just got to tighten it down. And then see how I've got my wiring already pulled out all the way through. So the wiring is in the correct position because the buffer tube will fit all the way along. Push it all the way in. Push it in. If you can get this silver piece in any direction at all and it still fits, I would take that and just go with it, because this is just a little bit tricky to do. Now I'm going to use my fuck off long hex driver that I use for the Double Eagle M56AL buttstock assembly. Okay, I'm just going to push it all the way in, make sure it's all the way in, and then now I just have to find it. Oh, I think I found it. And then I'm just going to tighten it up, that long screw, and then, oh Christ. Getting it in there isn't the hard part, it's just finding the damn screw. Oh, I think I got it, okay. Oh, did I get it? I think I did. And then you want to make sure you're keeping the buttstock pressed toward the upper receiver, or sorry, the lower. And then after you tighten that down, god damn it. After you tighten that down, all you have to do is just grab your buttstock assembly, make sure that the back plate is taken off, and then you're going to run that through the buttstock. Getting it through here, you're going to want to put it through the top hole. That's where you want to run the wiring through. And then let me just get that done real quick here. I'm gonna have to... Okay, so looks like I'm gonna have to just put the stock back on. How you're gonna put the stock back on is pull all the way down on this adjustment tab here. Pull all the way down on it really hard, and then you're gonna pull it towards the receiver while pulling down on this as hard as you can, and then that's gonna push it all the way in. And you can see the wiring's poking out here, so what I'm going to do now to fit the battery in, so I'm just going to test to see if I can get those batteries in. Let me grab one real quick. Alright, I'm going to hook it up, and then you're going to put both of the battery cells, or batteries in here through the right holes, and then you're going to have to cram this wiring back into the gun, which appears actually fairly forgiving. Push that all the way back in, and then you're going to want to put the slide cover back on at this point. And then how you're going to put the slide cover back on is you're going to start from the bottom like this. It just goes on pretty easy like that, and then you're going to push upwards. It's going to click into position. It's going to look right, and then depending on how you put it in, your buttstock assembly might move forward and back just a little bit funky and rough. Alright, and then we have ourselves a fully assembled proper 416. I would like to note that these mags are actually smaller than the Tokyo Marui sized ones by a fairly large Look at that. Oh, the double eagle one for the HK416 is on the right. I mean, look at that. Wow, that's so weird. Anyway. Alright, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If you need any further help, let me know. Thanks for watching.